Okay, after about 2 or 3 months of trying, probably 6 times, maybe more, to get it right, and doing it in 3 pieces, I finished the corner. It's not perfect, don't judge me, but I am happy with the way it turned out. It's gonna need a little bit of body work, but I'm happy with the way it turned out. That was a freaking hard thing, hard corn to fabricate. So this piece I bought, it was 6 inches. I ended up cutting it down to probably 3. I made this piece, and then this piece, and welded it together. And I wanted to do it as one. My skills are just not there yet. I'm still pretty green. Still just a garage guy working in the raw shop. So anyways, don't judge me. Hope you like it. Hope you think I did okay. Get out in your garage and work on your car. That sounded really freaking stupid, by the way.